We are at 8,800 feet elevation, crossing over the hill here, the mountain, over to Taos. Just thought we'd pull over and get a little picture. All those dead trees you see, those are all burn scars. This is where the wildfires went through. Huge areas up here. I don't know how many tens of thousands of acres, but a lot of it burnt a few years ago. Worst wildfires that had New Mexico in their history. Did you want to say something?
No. No. I was going to say that.
I don't know if it'll show up on this camera, but it's beautiful scenery here right before we go over the top. And that tallest peak way in the distance down there, that's Hermit's Peak. We were on the other side of that when we started this morning. So now we're on the north side of it, or northwest side. We were right by it this morning. We are now, as we cross over, we are now in Carson National Forest, named for Kit Carson, the mountain man. He actually lived in Taos, which is where we're going, with his wife and 7 children in a 3-room house. Interesting. All right.
Just wanted to say, so far this has been a wonderful trip. Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful country up here. Take a little bit more. Right there. Seems like when I think we're at the peak, there's always another peak a little higher. Kit Carson was a trapper, mountain man, Indian scout, wagon train leader, eventually becoming a soldier in the Union Army, an officer, and then finally an agent for Indian Affairs in New Mexico. Kit Carson was married 3 times. They include Arapaho woman Wa Nibe, who died 3 years after their marriage, Cheyenne woman Making Out Road, who divorced Carson after 14 months, and Josefa Jaramillo, the 14-year-old daughter of a prominent Taos family and mother of Carson's 7 children. There are 2 conflicting legends about Kit Carson's last words, and claims he said, "Doctor, comrade, adios," while another legend states his last words were, "Wish I had time for just one more bowl of chili." The chili story was becoming a popular anecdote, highlighting a simple desire for comfort after a life of hardship, even though the adios quote is more accurately documented. Looks like he was even a mason.
Looks like what?
He was a mason.
Oh. There was a thing that would happen to him. The Kit Carson cover too.
Another fireplace in here. Kit Carson Memorial State Park and Cemetery. We're walking in. And it looks like there's a venue next door. Like perhaps that's going to be a band over there tonight. Cemetery needs a little TLC. There's a 1895 to 1976. There's some old headstones there. There's an 1838 to 1909. Some old ones in here. Some military ones that are not dated. There's the 1838 to 1850. Yeah, a little shade. I think that must be the car. Sinbad? That was his first name. Sinbad C. Irwin. 22 to 28, only 6 years old. 24 to 28, only 4 years old. Wow. Go back to the Carson. Look at this one. It's supposed to be a tree.
Oh, wow.
Can you read the dates?
1907 to 1929.
What's the name?
Something of the World Memorial. Oh.
Oh, Woodman of the World. He must have been a... Wilfred B. Witt.
1907. He wasn't very old when he died.
No. Those two over there were children. 6 years old and 4 years old in that square. Memory of officers and soldiers who were killed or who died of wounds received in the campaigns of the 1st United States Dragoons against the Mexicans and Indians near Taos, New Mexico, in 1847 and 1854, whose remains are interred in this cemetery. Part of the Carson family.
Led the way.
Got the family tree there for a little bit of it. Well, he did a lot in 59 years, didn't he?
He's amazing guy. He's just amazing. It's a part of tribute. Sell pennies on his grave.
Oh, really?